In a class of 10 students, a class of 10 students, someone comes back home and says, I came back 7th position. Will you be happy?
Yeah. No.
No. Typical Nigerian parent.
Yeah. No.
No. Now, in another class, probably that's JSS 2A. Now, JSS 2B, someone in a class of another 10 students comes back home with 2nd grade, like is the 2nd in the class, 2nd position. Will you be happy?
Yeah. Well, yeah, to some
Yes.
extent, yeah.
But this is where it becomes tricky. The person who scored 7th position, it may be that from the 1st position to the second position to the 7th position is just a difference of 1 over 100. The first person scored 100 over 100. The person who took 2nd position scored 99, and the person who took 7th position scored 93. But because they are not more than 10 and they have to follow the order of score, you are the 7th.
Yes.
The person is finding himself in an area where he's dealing with competencies that are equal to or greater than his.
Yes.
Now, but the person who came 3rd the person who comes first in his own class may score 50. The person who came 2nd may score 40, and him probably 35, and the rest failed woefully. But I mean, he's still the 3rd person who came highest.
Yeah.
So you see how so if that person gets something, they'll say, what's your score? Sorry, what's your position? He says what?
Position.
3rd.
Yeah.
If they ask the other person what's your position, he says what? 7.
7.
But
Yes.
7, sorry. But by the time you check the actual score, by actual score, who is worthier to be called the 3rd position? Who is worthier to be called the 7th position? You switch it.
You have to switch it. Yes.
That's the point. That's the classic example of what goes on, especially in Nigeria. The person you are comparing yourself with that makes you consider yourself a senior designer is probably just starting design. If you are not in Nigeria, if you change your environment and you go outside, you realize that senior designers are literally interns. Some.